In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add keywords in Lightroom, specifically in Adobe Lightroom Classic on your PC. If you work with a lot of photos, keywords are one of the easiest ways to stay organized, search faster, and keep your library under control. They're especially useful when you have hundreds or even thousands of images and need to find the right one quickly. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Lightroom tips and quick software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Adobe Lightroom Classic and go to the Library module. This is where you manage and organize your photos, so it's the best place to start when adding metadata like keywords. Next, select the photo or photos you want to tag. You can click on a single image or hold Control on Windows to select multiple photos at once. If you want to keyword an entire group, just make sure all the relevant images are selected before you continue. Now look over to the right side of the screen and find the keywording panel. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll through the panels until you spot it. Once the keywording panel is open, click inside the text field and type your keyword. For example, you might enter something like travel, portrait, beach, client work, or wedding. After typing the keyword, press enter to apply it to the selected photo or photos. If you want to add more than one keyword, just separate them with commas. So instead of typing one long phrase, you can enter multiple terms like nature, forest, sunrise, and landscape all at once. That makes it much faster when you're organizing large photo libraries. A quick tip here, try to use keywords that you would actually search for later. Think about the subject, location, event, style, or person in the photo. The better your keywords, the easier it will be to find the image when you need it. You can also build a consistent keyword system over time so your Lightroom catalog stays clean and easy to navigate. Once the keywords are added, Lightroom saves them into the photo's metadata, which means they'll stay attached to the image and help you filter and search later. This is a simple step, but it can save you a huge amount of time in the long run. So to recap, go to the Library module, select your photo or photos, open the keywording panel on the right, type your keywords, separate multiple keywords with commas if needed, and press enter to apply them. That's how you add keywords in Lightroom Classic on PC. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Lightroom tutorials for beginners and creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.